Okay. We are now looking for our rooms. So let's see if we can find it. We're on 9. We have to go down to 7. I guess if we're in the front or the back. Hold on. Okay, so inside cabin, you have your bed. We have a king size. It also splits to a twin size. You have your vanity area, TV. There is storage underneath where you put your suitcases, drawers. This is your refrigerator. And then the closets. One for folded clothes, hanging clothes, and another for hanging clothes. And then we have the restroom. Not bad at all. Shower, they always come with shampoo and shower gel. Clean, that is all you can ask for. A mirror that comes out if you need to shave or do makeup. And that is, bathing suits. You can dry your swimsuits and stuff, your towels, everything right there. Okay, so that is the inside cabin. I can't forget this. This is very important. Your safe. All right. There we go. So, if you're new to the ship and you need some guidance and everything, this is where you go.
Right, I'll meet you halfway.
They teach you all about the ship.
Congratulations. What are you going to do with this voucher? Huh? What are you going to do? Are you going to treat yourself or are you going to give it to somebody?
Treat myself.
Yeah, congratulations. Give a round of applause to Mr. Scott, please. Thank you.
An awesome way to win things when the first
Another winner? Okay, let's see. Guys, just so you know, I did put maybe 5 of my own raffle ticket, okay? Maybe I do. Do I have? Oh, okay. We have a little bit of.
Okay. That is fun. You can win all kinds of stuff when you go to the first time cruiser event. Now we're gonna go out. Let's take the elevator up to the Serenity deck. It is the first day, the very first day. I tried to do tours and the whole 9, but it's so crowded that I can't get through. So I'm going to have to wait until probably everyone is off at the Celebrate party. Although I want to get the Celebrate party. So I probably got to wait till everybody is at dinner and stuff like that because I have anytime dining. So while the families, all the kids, all the, the little families and stuff, they always plan to go early. So since they will be at dinner, I can do my tours then. So now I'm just relaxing at the Serenity Bar, just chilling. It is hot. It is hot out here. Hold on. Okay. But I have an amazing spot at the back of the cruise, so I could do some sail away videos and stuff like that. That'll be awesome. I do want to go to the Celebrate party for just a little bit. I know it's going to be super packed, so I don't want to stay there the whole time. But I definitely want to get some footage of the Celebrate party before I get back to doing my day 1 videos and tours and whatnot. So I'm excited. Like, it's so quiet back here. Everybody is with their kids right now because the kids clubs and stuff are not open yet. So the Serenity area is so peaceful. My spouse is around doing footage. We're both content creators, so she's doing footage for her page, and she does scenery things and, you know, peaceful little videos and pictures and stuff like that. So I'm just relaxing. So I will be back for some pictures, videos, tours and stuff next. Let's see what they gotta say. When you come in straight upstairs from the Lido deck, on deck 10, you go to Diamond Steakhouse. This is where you're gonna get all the amazing drinks. They have drinks in here that they do not have at the regular bars. And then you're gonna get all the exclusive steaks and appetizers. Fun fact, the plates that they use here are from Versace. Freaking awesome. They're really cute for pictures.
Can you bring it to the top?
Bring it up, bring it up.
Like it never stop.
Bring it up, bring it up.
Can you bring it to the top?
Here we go.
One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Come on now.
Turn it out. To the left.
To the left.
Take it back now, y'all.
Bring it back, everybody.
One hop this time.